This is what I recommend to be incorporated in your routine, whether it's chemically treated or non-chemically treated. If you have long hair and you want to avoid dryness, staticiness, split ends, your oil treatment, very important. Add it to your routine. Hello, welcome back. My name is Gigi, and today I'm going to talk to you about oils for the hair, for treatments, and the importance of oil. So, sorry, I'm having giggles. Oils that I'm going to recommend that I use here with my customers and the ones that I use at home are very important for the treatments because they simulate your natural oils that your body produces. So your natural oils that, you know, when your scalp, when the hair in your scalp gets oily, that's what these oils are going to simulate when you put it in your hair. Now these oils, you apply them from mid-length to ends because that's where your natural oils do not reach. That's why the hair that's close to your scalp, it's new hair, so it'll be shiny, unless there's a medical reason why it shouldn't. But if not, your natural oils really helps the hair and it hydrates the hair, and that's why the hair there is so healthy and shiny. So we're trying to simulate those oils for your mid-length to ends, because that way it's going to help you not get any split ends or breakage if you're getting if it's over processed. So this is why it's very important to use these oils. It helps you for your treatment and it helps extend the life of your colors. All the products that I will recommend is for that. It helps your services that you get at the salon. You spend a lot of money at the salon, so you want to make sure that you extend those services at home, that whatever you get done, whether it's a perm or any chemical service, colors, highlights, because you want your hair to remain healthy. Remember, the healthier the hair is, the longer your colors or highlights or even your cut is going to look a lot nicer. I'm going to show you the different kinds of oils that I've used. Most of them that I'm going to show you are spray form because I really like the spray form. I feel like you waste less product and it's easier for you to apply it. I'm going to go ahead and show you the different types. Some of them are professional from salon and some of them are not. They're store-bought. But you will see that they all, if you were to try all of them, they all work incredibly well. So the first one is Josie Moran. This is the only one out of all of them that it's not a spray form. So this one I really liked a lot. It's more concentrated. You have to be very careful how much you use in this one. You can go through this a lot faster than the spray ones, but it's a lot more concentrated than the rest of them. The oil balance from De Lorenzo. This is a professional line. This one is one of my favorites. A little goes a long ways. Play with your oils and with your hair at home, so that way you learn and you see how much you need. So this one, it'll last a long time. This is the old packaging. They have a new packaging now. If you would go to their website, you'll see. Fabulous. It has so many different kinds of oils. It's just incredible. It's hydrolyzed enough. It penetrates the hair and it really, really restores it. It feels amazing. Avocado one. This one I bought it at Jimbo's. This was like $6. Amazing. I really like it. It's also spray form and you apply it the same way as the De Lorenzo one and with dry hair. It's absolutely, I really liked it. Then the one that I also liked, yes, it's a cooking oil, the coconut oil. Well, most of it is, right? So this one is also on spray form, and this one was really good. I like spray forms. Like I said, I find that it's a lot easier to apply it in the hair. This one, I found it at Jimbo's. It never goes in your scalp. It goes from mid-length to ends. Remember, the hair in your scalp, it stays in really good condition because of its natural oils. Apply it with dry hair. You don't apply it with wet hair. Oil and water do not mix, so keep that in mind. That's why you apply it with dry hair, and your hair is going, trust me, it's going to absorb what it needs. And when you shampoo it, it's going to let go, release the oil that it doesn't need. And you'll notice when you blow dry it that the hair feels really nice, because most of the time the hair from mid-length to ends is very dehydrated. Even if you don't color it, it's very dehydrated. It always needs its oils. Apply it. I'm going to show you on some of my ponytail. So you apply it on your ends, mid-length to ends. Work it through your hair, and that's it. You can put it, it's that simple. You put it up in a bun, you put it in a braid. You can apply it before you go work out, you go to the pool, you go to the beach. You can put it in a cap, and then you can put it under heat for 5, 10, 20 minutes. I do it sometimes overnight, and in the morning I wake up and I shampoo my hair twice. You put a little cap if you like. I put a towel, I put it in a high ponytail or a bun, and then I put a towel so I don't stain my pillowcase. And then I give it a couple of shampoos, and usually I don't need a couple, but if you find that you do, then go ahead and re-shampoo it, and then you continue your routine of your conditioner and your leave-in conditioner, and so on, mousse and gel, whatever you use to style your hair. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, any comments, please let me know. Like and subscribe. Also, if you have an oil that you really like and you would like for me to try it, please let me know. I would be happy to go ahead and test it out on my customers and on myself. So remember that it's important to take care of your hair. So remember that healthy hair is shiny hair. Thank you for watching. Ciao.